In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. It has transformed the way we connect with others, share information, and express ourselves. But what does the future hold for social media? How will it continue to evolve and shape our communication in the coming years? The rise of virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality, VR, technology has been steadily gaining momentum in recent years, and it is set to revolutionize social media as we know it. Imagine being able to step into a virtual world where you can interact with friends and family from anywhere in the world. With VR headsets becoming more affordable and accessible, social media platforms are starting to incorporate this immersive technology into their offerings. Users will soon be able to attend virtual events, explore virtual environments together, and even have face-to-face conversations through avatars. Enhanced personalization. Social media platforms have always strived to deliver personalized content tailored to each user's interests and preferences. In 2023, this personalization will reach new heights thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. AI algorithms will analyze users' behavior patterns, likes, dislikes, and online interactions on a much deeper level than ever before. This data will enable social media platforms to curate content that is highly relevant and engaging for each individual user. Augmented reality, AR, integration. While VR takes us into entirely new worlds, augmented reality, AR, brings digital elements into our real-world environment. AR integration on social media platforms opens up exciting possibilities for communication. Imagine attending a live concert while sitting at home or trying out different outfits virtually before making a purchase decision, all through your smartphone camera lens. AR filters already exist on various platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, but expect them only get better with time. Influencer marketing evolution. Influencer marketing has become a powerful tool for brands to connect with their target audience. In 2023, this form of marketing will continue to evolve and adapt to the changing social media landscape. As AI becomes more sophisticated, brands will be able to identify influencers who align perfectly with their values and target demographics. This targeted approach will result in more authentic collaborations that resonate with consumers on a deeper level. Enhanced privacy and security measures. With the increasing concerns surrounding data privacy and security, social media platforms are under pressure to implement stronger measures to protect user information. In 2023, we can expect stricter regulations and improved privacy features on these platforms. Users will have more control over their personal data, allowing them to choose what information they share and who has access to it. Social media companies will also invest heavily in encryption technologies, ensuring that communication remains secure from prying eyes. The power of video content. Video content has already taken the social media world by storm, but its dominance is set to continue in 2023. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels have made it easier than ever for users to create engaging video content. The popularity of live streaming is also on the rise as people seek real-time interaction with others around shared interests or events. Brands that harness the power of video content will be able to effectively engage their audiences and stand out from the competition. In conclusion, social media is poised for significant changes in the coming years as technology continues its rapid advancement. From virtual reality experiences that bring us closer together despite physical distance, enhanced personalization driven by artificial intelligence algorithms, augmented reality integration into our everyday lives through smartphones' lenses, there's no doubt that communication through social media is set for a revolution in 2023. With increased focus on privacy protection measures and stricter regulations surrounding data handling practices by platforms themselves or external governing bodies like governments worldwide, users will have more control over their personal information than ever before. The rise of video content and influencer marketing's evolution also promises exciting opportunities for brands to connect with their target audiences in a more authentic and engaging manner. So, as we look ahead to the future of social media, one thing is certain. Our communication landscape is about to undergo a transformative shift. Whether it's through virtual reality experiences that transport us into new worlds or personalized content that speaks directly to our interests and preferences, social media will continue to shape how we connect and communicate in the years to come.